Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're talking about how you can save big on shipping costs when buying from DHgate. First tip, consolidate your orders. Try to buy multiple items from the same seller. Many sellers will offer combined shipping and sometimes even free shipping if you ask. Next, claim on the coupons that are offered in the homepage, just like this. And tip number three, if you don't need your items urgently, choose standard or economy shipping. It's much cheaper than express delivery. Also, you can message the seller before you buy. Ask if they can offer a shipping discount, especially if you're ordering in bulk. So I'll show you how to use coupons here on DHgate. For example, this one, I already input a coupon here. So you can see here that it's discounted. You can also put it in here, the code. For example, this one, and click apply. You can see that it's already applied here. And that's it. Those are the easy ways to cut down your DHgate shipping costs. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have any more questions. Thank you for watching.